How to check how long someone has been offline on Roblox. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this instructional video presentation, I'll demonstrate the process of determining the duration for which an individual has been inactive on Roblox. It is a straightforward and efficient procedure, so ensure that you follow along closely. When attempting to view a user's profile on the Roblox website, you may notice the absence of information regarding their offline duration. To ascertain this information, you must utilize the enhanced Roblox extension and navigate to the Chrome Web Store and seek out either Better Roblox or BT Roblox. This extension is compatible with various web browsers that support Google extensions, including the Google Chrome, Firefox, and Opera GX. Install the extension on your browser and access its settings by clicking on the respective icon. By enabling the Show Last Online option within the extension settings, you can now view the offline duration of the user when visiting their profile page. This method allows you to determine the offline duration of any user successfully. I trust that this guide has been beneficial in assisting you with checking the offline status of individuals on Roblox. If you found this video to be informative, kindly consider leaving a like and subscribing for additional quick and convenient tips. And don't forget to hit that bell icon to stay updated with our latest contents. Thank you for your viewership and support.